Hello guys, welcome back. Hope everybody is well. It has been a day since the last salad, but it has been like 4 days since my last salad. And it's been a bit of a debaucherous weekend of fast food and everything. So looking forward to this salad. Pretty basic stuff. I thought I'd try something different. So we've got this Spanish red kidney beans, sort of a like it's a quinoa warm salsa. So basically I'm going to throw that onto the pan, basically cook that up. I'm going to chop up some fennel, that's going to go on top with some red peppers and some tomato. Put in a bit of chili in there for a bit of bite, and then as I have been doing for a couple of them now, we're doing a hard-boiled egg just for a little bit of extra protein. So simple put together, unsure of how these flavors are going to work. I will let you know, you let me know. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments, and let's get to it.